talk about surrender, and we say we want to surrender, but how the mind is absolutely doing things the way it wants to do, despite the fact that we say we surrender. Sometimes to our inner voice, or we listen to somebody else telling us something, but we always end up doing the way our mind tells us. It all boils down to this small nitty-gritty. We talk of big things, we'll surrender, we will let go, but we can't let go of even our thoughts, despite the fact something is clearly told to us. How automatically our mind is just takes over. I want you to recognize that this is how it creeps in and just takes us over, we don't even know. And in a few minutes, because we are so used to our way of doing things, our sense of right and wrong. And also please forget this sense of separation, that the birds are somewhere else and the horses are somewhere else. It's all one consciousness. It's one place. There is a food chain for everybody. Everybody will come and pick up their things. We have created boxes and separations, that the horses will remain here, the sheep will remain here, the birds will remain here. There are no separations. It's all one. Like all of us are one. Different religions, different cultures, different ideologies, different languages, different food. But we're actually one. This difference, this whole idea that this border is mine, this territory is mine, this is sense of causing separation and keeping others away, that's our problem. That's how we have acquired these thoughts. And that's how we have become so badly, we are imprisoned by this. This is the liberation we are seeking. We're not seeking liberation from any big thing, no. We're not physical slaves, but we are slaves to the thoughts of our mind, of its patterns. These are our patterns. And this is what, the work that has to be done of letting go, of unlearning, is at this level. It's this day to day. There are no bigger things that need to be done. There is no, austerity that you have to do, leave everything and go. Because these thoughts are going to still remain with you even if you leave everything. Let go of all your possessions, let go of all your clothes, let go of your house and go and stay in a forest. But these thoughts are the problem. Physical letting go is not a problem. So letting go means these little tiny weeny things which are constantly with us. And that only, you can do if you're aware. And you ask yourself before you do anything, like a monkey, constantly just jumping around. Ask yourself, why? Start listening deeply.